Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Uber wallet. First, open your browser and go to wallet.uber.com. Sign in to your Uber account and you'll see your wallet balance. If you haven't added a bank account yet, tap Add Bank Account. Enter your account holder name, routing number, account number, and your basic information like address and date of birth. Then hit submit. Once your bank is added, go back to your balance and tap cash out. Confirm the amount, choose your bank, and the money will be transferred directly to your account. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money from your Uber wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.